Two eternal truths. One, whatever a man think of, he is at once in touch with. This is why when you ask me, I say, all you have to do is think about it. And you have to think about it with a one point in mind. And when you do, you're there. But as long as your mind grasshoppers around, you can't make it. This is why we give you all these exercises, so that maybe one of them will work. So you have to develop concentration. You have to put your mind on a channel, just like a ray. And that mind will take you to where you focus it. So how long does it take to know your divine self? A twinkling of an eye, or a hell of a long time to get your mind to shut up. It's just that simple. Whether a friend living or called dead, you can be with him. Thought is universal. Two, whatever a man loves, he can never lose. Never lose. For love is eternal. It is one of the laws that attracts and holds. It doesn't separate, brings you together. So those of you who want to be together again in another lifetime, be sure you're doing it in a loving way. Then you will enjoy life. It'll be happy. It'll be wonderful to be together again. But if you get into the hate role, you're going to come back again. And are you going to have fun? So if you're going to split up, any of you, for God's sake, have the common sense to do it with a kind, gentle compassion for each other, and stop the stupid hating and cussing. Because you'll come back. Honest God, I give you your money back if you give any. Money back guaranteed. You're going to come back together again, and you're going to pay for what you've done. So if you got to split with good friendship and forgiveness, so there'll be no karma debt. Split with anger, you'll come back, and you'll pay for it.